Yo, this is nice. Trust me, this is nice. Alright guys, today we're doing an outdoor cooking, you know, outdoor vlog. So just want you to check out what I want, right? Here I'll do some jerk chicken, right? Look on the jerk chicken. Right, look. Alright. Right, plus we'll do some hot dog, some burger. I know what works, you know, plus we have a look of anything, some beer and some food, so just like a vibe, you know? Yeah man. Yo, show them a view of the place, how the place looks pretty. How the place pretty. Wow, it's a nice scene, you know? Alright, here we go, right? When we season the chicken and thing, we never have no beer. Normally we use a red stripe beer, right? But we never have no beer at hand at the moment, right? The only thing we could have get a Walmart or some Heineken. So here we're full of style, you know. So I'm gonna use the Heineken and else I marinate my meat, right? So here we go. I already chose some green season on it, so I just gonna add some of the Heineken, right? I'm just gonna rub out the green season and the Heineken and everything together. How that look, guys? How it look? That's the truth. Yeah, it has splash all over the place too, but nobody watch that, you know? Outdoor cooking, right? Nice. Guys, this well seasoned. This season from last night. Trust me, so you know, so this well marinated, well nice. Right? Alright. So here I'm gonna just give it a couple minutes for the beer kind of soak into the meat and then drop them on from my grill. The grill already light, right? So I'm just gonna give it a couple minutes. Alright, so here I go. I'm gonna put some chicken on the grill, right? Grill heat up already and everything. Alright. Mad thing. Guys, I want to smell the aroma come from this right now. It's crazy. Trust me. Smell like the whole beach right now. How the chicken just look pretty on the grill, right? I want to smell this right now, guys. Trust me, it's off the chain. Alright, we're not gonna drop on no more than this for now, right? Nice. Now I'll cover about this. Yeah, so we do it, you know. Outdoor scene. You know, place nice and thing, sky blue, breeze, everything. You know? Mad thing. Music I play. Nice little scene, you know? I want this G. I just want them put, right? Yeah. Here we are going. I'm gonna turn them chicken and now still and things, so come on man, I'll show you what I'm going, you know? Yeah, you see it look? Here we are going. I'm going to flip them chicken now, you know. Whoa, look on that. Taking a close up shade. Holy, this pretty. Trust me. You want to smell it too. And the cameraman alone could I tell you how it smells right now. Nice. Proper thing. Right now, this is smell like the whole of the beach. I tell you, I swear. You could have wonder what going over here. So. problem in that, guys. I have to just see it. Alright. Yo, this is nice. Trust me, this is nice. Oh, so you see what I'm going on now, eh? Oh, look. Look good down. We should could have taste some of this right now when they finish, eh? I'll get some, man. I worry myself. I'll send for no one. Here what I go on. I do hot dog, you know, about a piece of chicken alone. Hot dog, burger, everything. I wonder how we ever eat off so much food, don't you? But here what? Worry yourself, like I eat off, you know. You mean? Alright, so I'm going to drop some hot dog on the grill. These are some beef sachets. So, I'll put a couple of them on the grill, you know. Here I go, I'm bad like it unruly. Yeah, like I eat me popcorn. I'll calm it down, man. Where yourself? What's our 3? I'm put down 3 feet time being. I don't want to pull up belly too much. I still have less space in chicken. Right? I'm turning on that flame and look up. Alright. Yeah, that's good enough. Alright. Smoking. Mad thing. Alright. Here I go. Take a close up. I look on a style that normally if I use a charcoal grill, right? I normally take some of the same seasoned water and spray the chicken in. But being that this is not a charcoal grill, look on a style, right? Hold on, move this apart aside. Watch out now. Look on a style, guys. Right? Where this do? This basically add more flavor to the jerk chicken, plus also keep it moist and soft, right? This prevents it from dry out, right? Plus pop more flavor into the chicken, right? Just dip it in the sauce. Take another breeze. Dip it in the sauce here, right? Like this. Rub it up nice. Nice, right? And just fling it on the grill again. Rub it up. See me, G? How it look? Proper. Proper. Well marinated. Well seasoned. No, we should not eat this right now, you know. I know that, you know. No, suppose I look on the camera and I say, wow, that looks so good. This apart, so you see me. Alright, put them closer to the side there, so we can get more clear. Alright. So I'm going to say, guys, look. See it? Oh, look. Throw it on up on the grill again. 2 more to go. Because I made a little skin and drop off for you, guys. But watch out going on. No, we just, you know. Alright. It no one come off, you know. What's all going on? Wow, see this. Whoa, yo, my. Yo, G. The flavor in this. The flavor in this unbelievable, bro. I swear. Is it my chef? Yeah. Alright. Alright. Them are soon ready, you know, guys. Just soak it for soak some more. And then we take them out, right? I'm so I'll go on for them dog, you know. Yeah, dog, I'm soon ready too. Wow, nice. And soon can come off. Alright, so I'm just going to give it a little more time. Look nice, eh? Look on that. Nice. Yeah, so we do it, you know. Alright, here we go. I take off the sachets them now, you know, to make my hot dog. Because my sachets them burn, you know. Oh, look. Nice, eh? Chicken them soon ready to, you know, guys. Soon can come off and I'm drop on the next batch. See it? Nothing. Want help on yourself? Get out of here. Alright, so you are going. Let's all take out them here. Got them here ready, right? I'm gonna make them stay up on the grill no longer. Right? Oh yeah, I'm gonna let it one get out of control, guys, but hurry yourself, man. Have something to eat, man. I want to say turn on low too, you know, so I don't know how to behave so. Alright, look. Alright, let's just them and drop on some more on the grill. Nice. Alright, so this is kind of calm the fire for the time being, right? Because you have some freshly seasoned chicken drop on the fire now, right? Alright, so I'm just go ahead and file them here, you know. Not insect or not fish on them, you know? Just file it. Alright guys, alright, so we're gonna do a look at taste test phone, right? I'm making you know the chicken taste and thing, right? So I have my friend right here, Sherry, right? I'm gonna have Kimi done. So yeah man, I'm gonna do a look at taste test. Them can't tell you how it tastes because you always hear from me still, right? And they say, you could have said, yeah, the chef or cook, so I say, yeah, it tastes good and thing, but we have proof there, so, right? So, alright. I'll go on, so.
Alright, here goes.
There goes nothing.
Yeah, they don't want to taste,
Man.
they don't want to taste. You see it? You're here from that Canadian. Canadian, they say, bad.
Right now I want to this piece.
Give me a say, bad. That's a Kimi. Ah, Kimi, tell them what piece of gun. Honestly, tell them big man thing, tell them what piece of gun.
4 piece.
Jesus Christ. Kimi eat a whole of chicken. He eat 4 quarters, right? So that is basically a whole of chicken right there, right? Guys, trust me, this is bursting with a lot of flavor. It's just unbelievable. Well seasoned, right? Don't you share? Alright. Good. Oh. See it there, guys? See it there? Alright, you see it? Marvelous. Taste it, trust me. I wish that you guys could be tasting this right now. It's off the chain.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
Yo, the grease is like packed. It's unpacked. Shit. Got people camping out. I just want you to tell me what you think. Just leave me up in the comments and tell me what you like about the video. If you want me to do more videos like these, just let me know, right? Alright. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Just hit that notification bell below to keep up to date with all the latest videos each and every week. Right? So until then, take care. I'm out.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm so